So in this problem they have given square prism of dimension 30 and height 50 resting with its base on HP such that one of its vertical face inclined at 40 degree to VP. That is, we have to draw 40 degree angle line, then we have to place the square, and then we have to draw the front view, and then it is cutted as shown in figure. You can see that. So for this I have drawn both the top and front view of it similar to it. Now we have to draw the development for this, and the namings and all for the cut section I have drawn, and I have mentioned the namings also where exactly the cutting is occurring. Okay, now I am drawing the development of it. So first I will be drawing a vertical line. Okay, now after this I will be using a offset command for constructing the lateral faces. Okay, selecting that I will give a distance of 30, and then you have to give on the forward side, okay, not on the back side. So give it 30, enter and click. You'll get the 4 faces here. Then you can mention here naming. Okay, so from the point 1 we're getting like this exactly straight line. So before that I'll be mentioning these vertical edges: capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D and capital A. So 1 we are getting exactly on that vertical edges. Okay, so we can mention 1 here, and here also we can mention 1. Okay, now the 2 exactly I'm getting on the vertical edge B, and 3 also I'm getting on the vertical edge but exactly at the bottom face, and point number 4, okay, I'm getting exactly on D, but point 5 I'll be getting at a distance of 4.83. so I'll be using arc by center. I'll measure this distance, that is 4.83 from, okay, D, vertical is D. Okay, I'll cut the arc for 4.83 using arc by center point. So measure length 4.83 and give enter, then sweep. So this is your point number 5. Okay, point number 5. Now we can join all these cut points, that is 1 2 3 4 with the straight line. You can use thick line here. Okay, you can join from 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, then from 4 to 5 and 5 to 1, and then vertically downward you can join exactly. You can zoom in and try to connect it. Okay, and then join here. So this completes the problem, but you can see using a script command I'll be showing only the lines which has to be thick lines, and the cut portion, the cut remained portion, we have to make it thick, and the other part we should make it as a thin line. I'll be making that as a thin line here. Just see that. So I'm changing its thickness to 0.13 here. Okay, which I have been splitted using split command. Okay, that vertical line also we have to make it a thin line. You can see the diagram. Okay, but exactly at point number 5 we have to draw one thin line here. I'll be drawing that. Okay, so this completes the problem. You can see we have done the same development. I'll show the distance from there, that vertical edge D and 5, it is 4.83, and the total length from here to here it is 120, because it is having 4 faces and 30 mm dimension, so it is 120. Okay, so this completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you all for the video, and share it to the maximum student so that they can benefit.